Good evening, students. Today we are going to see Norton's theorem. Norton theorem states that any two-terminal linear network with voltage current sources and resistances can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting of a current source in parallel with a resistance. The value of current source is short circuit current and resistance is Norton's resistance. So, similar to Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem is also used to reduce a complex network into a simpler network in which we can find current through any of the element. So now we are going to solve a problem on Norton's theorem. Determine the voltage across 6 ohm using Norton's theorem. So it is the circuit given to you. Here one voltage source is there which is 20 volt. Now we are going to find the voltage across 6 ohm resistance using Norton's theorem. Norton's theorem has three-step procedure. In the first step, we are going to find Norton's current. To find Norton's current, we have to short circuit the load. So here the load is 6 ohm resistor. So 6 ohm is short circuited and the current circuit can be redrawn like this. Now the current IN can be calculated using a simple Ohm's law because since it is short circuited, there is no current flowing through 10 ohm resistor and the entire current which is developed by 20 volt voltage source is flowing through the short circuit path IN. So IN is given by 20 volt by 5 which is 4 ampere. In step 2, we have to find the Norton's equivalent resistance Rn. To find Norton's equivalent resistance, in addition to open circuit the load resistance, we have to short circuit the given voltage source. So the circuit can be redrawn like this. Here 5 ohm and 10 ohm are in parallel. So the Norton's resistance Rn can be calculated as the parallel combination value of 5 ohm and 10 ohm. So which is 5 into 10 by 5 plus 10 which is 50 by 15 which is equal to 3.33 ohm. So after calculating ISC and Rn, we can draw the Norton's equivalent circuit like this. The Norton's current in parallel with Norton's resistance can be connected to the load resistance. So the final equivalent circuit is like this. Now we have to find out the load current IL using the current division formula. So using current division formula, the current through 6 ohm resistance is equal to 4 into 3.33 by 6 plus 3.33 which is 1.43 ampere. But we need the voltage across 6 ohm resistor which can be calculated using the Ohm's law as current into resistance which is 1.43 into 6 that is 8.58 volt. So in this way, we can use Norton's theorem to reduce the complex network into a simple network which consists of a current source in parallel with a resistance or which can be connected to a load resistance. Thank you.